Welcome to another week of everything asteroids. And this week we're going to look at a lot of testnet because, as you guys know, and if you don't know, we've got the Launchpad testnet available. So again, this is the Asteroid Launchpad. Super cool features, fundamental stuff, and at the same time, more stuff coming, which is so great. So first things first, of course, you have bulk uploads. A lot of us have been waiting for this idea so that we don't have to inscribe everything bit by bit manually, but we can still do that, and I'll show you in a moment. Right now, of course, there are no upfront fees as long as you have a launchpad that is set for a public launch. Of course, you can upload your data, upload your CSV files, so all of your traits and your rarities and things of that nature can be set. And anytime somebody purchases, each of those items one by one will be inscribed. So of course, we're using the word mint. A lot of us are using the word mint. We're familiar with the word mint. However, these assets are actually going to be inscribed one by one as people purchase, right? And that, of course, is the public launchpad. And as you see, there are 3 different stages, right? So in a future video, I will definitely do a complete walkthrough. For now, I definitely urge you all to try it out because, of course, you can set your dates, your times. You can choose whether this asset gets revealed right away. You can choose when it's revealed, whether it's revealed at a specific time, perhaps after everything has been minted out, or revealed immediately, and so much more, guys. The Launchpad essentially is everything you've been wanting, everything that people would expect. But of course, we've got some interesting ideas that we wish to implement in due time. So do check it out over here on testnet. And of course, the link for that is right here. And of course, you will need test atoms, so you have to join the Interchain Cosmos Discord. And of course, following this link here, right in this Medium post, will actually guide you through the steps of how to acquire test atom. Pretty simple. Join us in the community because a lot of us may actually be able to help you out with some test atom if you're truly having issues, right? Now let's go on, of course. Now I want to talk about our docs because we do have updated docs, and you can always find the docs right here, or of course you can just right here learn more, or of course when you join astroprotocol.io and you're actually in the main website, you can, of course, find the docs right at the bottom, right down here. You see some of our most important links are right there. You click that and it will take you directly to the docs. And now you'll see the docs have also been improved even more since our previous talk about this last week. Now we also have videos that are embedded in there. So anybody, all of the creators who are coming to the platform and they are looking to use the permanent internet to inscribe their data on the Cosmos Hub to live for as long as the hub exists. Well, for creators, we've got, again, an improved experience for you over here in the docs, allowing you to, of course, read, of course, through every step of all the functions on the platform, and of course, to see all of the various videos that are involved in those exact steps that you can read. So do check these out. Share it with a friend. And of course, I definitely urge you all to join us in the Telegram super quickly. You can find that right up here. Telegram group right there. And when you're in there, we also have other Telegram groups, one specifically for creators, but then we also have a group that's specifically for devs. So this is a great group to join for these purposes, right? So let's continue on, right? I want to show you guys what's happening over on Astroport because, of course, Roids has seen some of the highest APRs in a list of, out of a list of many, many pools, right? So this is the Roids Atom pool. Let's go in there and actually see exactly what's happening over on Astroport .fi/pools, right? And if you go to pools, as you see right here on Astroport, and you check by combined APR, you will see that there's actually a battle. So the highest APRs you can see are here, right? Okay, in descending order. Now, if you want to actually see what you're getting in these APRs, it's actually kind of cool. You can hover over here and you can see the types of tokens you can receive by providing liquidity in this pool. As you see, some of them have 1 or maybe 2 or even more incentives that you can receive. And of course, you guys do remember the video previously that we discussed permissionless incentives maybe a couple of weeks back. So as you see in the Roids Atom pool, you'll see that there are a variety of incentives. So simply by allocating some funds into this LP, into this pool, you will actually receive, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4 tokens as rewards over various periods of time. So as you see here, the breakdown is right here. The incentive distributions are right here. Super cool because I love the fact that you can do this on your own. You can mint your own CFT-20s, deploy, your own CFT-20s, add them to a pool, and incentivize a pool, encourage your community to join the pool to receive your token. And then in the future, you could use your token for a variety of things that we have plans to release a lot of ideas, and we look forward to your feedback as usual. I want to show you this again. So the Launchpad again is here. It is, of course, in testnet. But I want to show you that there are other users, other members of the community who are actually launching their collections, trying out the testnet. So I do urge you all to connect your wallets, give it a try, head over to create and click collection. And now you'll see a completely new page where this private collection or private launch was the original style, where you would upload your images perhaps one by one, add your metadata, and then start to list them individually on the marketplace as you see. But the new setup for another way of launching would be the public launch. And this is, of course, where you can upload your images and metadata. You can do bulk uploads. You will essentially be able to set mint stages, various mint prices. Perhaps you want to do whitelisting or guaranteed or first come, first serve, and then public, different prices, different times, different ways of revealing, so many things to do. So this is a great function, and I'll quickly go into it just for a super quick moment. And you'll notice that you can actually have one setting. The first stage is where you create your collection logo and set the name and the ticker and the royalties. Of course, we went through a lot of this in previous videos, of course, in our guides. So definitely head over to YouTube and check out the guides. Why not? And see for yourself all of the steps that are needed for this. And I'll, of course, release a video, a full walkthrough of the mainnet, but also I'll give you guys a walkthrough of the testnet as well, right? So I'll give you guys some time to try it out for yourselves, right? So again, the Launchpad actually does have a lot of good data right here and a lot of in the docs, so you can find out exactly how to do it step by step, and you can see everything you need, even the CSV file template you can use. You can download that right here and start adding your own traits, whether it be hair or body type, or maybe background or eyes or some other type of traits. And of course, you can also upload JSON data for those of you who are familiar with this method as well. So our docs give a lot of data, a lot of good information. I'm super happy that we've been able to improve the docs, but I want to give a shout to at least one member of the community who has actually been doing the testnet and putting their collection out there. So as you see right there, Voldemar has a collection out there, and it happens to be this collection. Let's go to Launchpad. Should be this one right here. So do check it out, guys. I recommend all of you give it a try. Check us on YouTube, of course. If you're watching this on YouTube or X, subscribe on YouTube, and of course, absolutely follow us on X. Try it out, deploy a collection, see how it goes, and catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.